So quick explanation. My buddy Josh was going to get his kayaks out of the woods because he was duck hunting and he left them there, but his truck got stuck in the mud and we are now pulling it out with John's Toyota Highlander. Josh's truck got stuck in the mud because it is a two-wheel drive truck, isn't it, Josh? Yeah, needless to say, he's stuck pretty good.
You guys should go in reverse with him?
Just a little, yeah.
Yeah, just hit the reverse just a tiny bit.
You want to get your wheels moving backwards. It's not supposed to be twisted.
Yeah, that's not supposed to be twisted, by the way, that tow rope. Why is it twisted? Who tied the knot? You did.
He's gonna get it, dude. He's gonna get it. Oh yeah.
Oh, she's going. Dude, the Highlander's a truck.
Alright, hold on.
Look at those wheels.
Hold on, don't.
Slick. We were about to go fishing, but he got his truck stuck, so now we're gonna go fishing. Oh, it's stuck again. How's that two-wheel drive truck?
It's going over right now.
You are not even that in that bad.
I pulled the strap off too soon, thinking you'd be okay.
Yeah, no. It happened on the ice too. They literally had to drag me to shore.
This also happened on Beta Knox ice. Wait.
Let me know when.
Just tighten it up a little bit. Alright, you're good.
Good to go?
Yep. Okay. Take him to the parking lot.
All the way.
Don't worry, Josh, I got you.
This is a Toyota Highlander pulling out a truck. Yeah. Yo, stop, Josh, stop.
Stop now, I don't even know what to say.
Yeah, if you get stuck now.
What's Toyota's motto moving forward?
Let's go places.
So the truck's finally free. He had to use the Highlander to pull it way out. Now we might do some fishing. You can't expect me to just let you do this and not. Yeah, so what's going on here?
We have two paddles, but to like hold it solid. What else am I supposed to do? You got a better idea?
We made it to the lake. Josh is duct taping his paddles or something.
I don't want to be in this.
You don't want to be seen in the same light as Josh?
No, I don't want to be in Josh's chaos.
We're gonna go try to catch a bass, but probably gonna fall in or something stupid like that. What kind of juice do you think?
A Roku shad. Ow. A Roku shad. I think that's what it's called.
Another segment of the video where you're doing something interesting. Can, like, explain what you got going on here. Is this your anchor?
Yeah. About a 40-pound anchor for a little kayak.
And then you got your Vex ice fish out of as well, which I respect that move. The cinder block move, you could have used a smaller object.
Hey, if we throw it against that, well.
Yeah.
I'll try. Make sure it doesn't break off where you can't tie it again.
You gotta get this on GoPro.
The chip's gonna come.
Yo, I'm about to lose it. This is gonna explode. It's.
I don't want a 40-pound cinder block as an anchor. No, that's perfect.
That worked out like perfect.
Back on my favorite vessel to fish from and film from. We're gonna get John B on some wintertime toads today. There's one. John, we're hooked up. It's like 1.5 pounds. Crushed it. She crushed her. What a largemouth. Right now you're probably in 7 to 8. I'm in like 6 here. There he is. Oh, it's a good one. I said it's a big one, boys. This is probably the biggest one I've caught today by far. Dude, this is the second fish that's hit it twice. They are hangry. Oh God, dude. Oh yeah, dude, he destroyed it right at the boat. Has the whole crankbait down his throat. Dude, this is crazy. He's got it T-boned in his mouth. He sucked it all the way in. Look at that. He's not even hooked. The lipless crank is just pinned. He sucked it in. Oh, Jesus, he was hungry. Josh, they are chasing it. No, I'm just reeling it slow, but almost all of them are hitting it twice if they don't get it the first time. There he is. There she is. Oh God, dude, big one. Not a giant. All right, I'm gonna find a way to get my head mount on because I am so sick of this chest angle already. There's one. Just latched on real quick. Oh. Oh, easy release. The braid is really giving when the fish jump. Oh God. Dude, it's staying down. It's not that heavy, but it won't show itself. No, it's a bass. Oh God, there we go. They're smoking her. Is that the yellow one? Yeah. Wow, this one is a baby. Wait, there's a beat. There we go. We're on. No, Josh, I'm not kidding you. There's one. Oh, thumped it good. Some nice head shakes on this one. And it's a dink. There's one. Oh, it's a dink. Good God, it's a dink. Oh God, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Please don't put a hook in me. Thank you. Wind's picked up a bit. Maybe the bite will turn on. Yeah, now the wind's really picked up. Front pass or something.
Got into your room there? Look at that. Just slid right in.
Oh, you're sliding in there?
You cranking them, dude? Or what?
Oh, I've got like around 15, 20.
I have two. Oh. Weeds.
Well guys, I'm sitting down on my bed right now editing this video and I realized that somehow the footage of my outro got corrupt. regardless, I just gotta end it here. Had a great time with John, showing him around Miami. We stopped at some of our local fishing spots, got Josh out of the mud, and then sent him on his way to Virginia. So hope you guys enjoyed. Got some trips coming up with John planned in the future. Should be some really fun stuff.